everyone, in today's video I will show you how to solve Gmail storage full problem on your computer. So let's get started. First, open Gmail on your PC. Now on the search bar, search here for unsubscribe. Then click on the all search result for unsubscribe and you will see mailing list that you no longer need. Click on select all and then press the delete icon and you will see that they are successfully deleted. Now go to the top right side. Here you will see the Google Apps grid. Once you click on it, you will see the drive option. Open Google Drive, go to the storage, and here you will see the cleanup space option. Click on it and review the large files or photos. Delete if anything unnecessary or save them locally to your computer. And that's it. Your Gmail storage is now free and you can receive emails again. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.